In a world chasing quick profits and overnight success, the real winners play the long game. While others panic during dips or jump from coin to coin, patient investors quietly build unstoppable wealth. Want to know the secret behind those who retire rich? It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Let's uncover why patience isn't just a virtue in investing, it's the ultimate strategy. When you first start investing, it's tempting to react to every piece of news, every market dip, every social media post screaming about the next big thing. Your emotions get triggered, you feel FOMO, you feel fear, and before you know it, you're making rushed decisions that cost you real money. Emotional investing is a losing game. Always has been, always will be. Think about the wealthiest investors in the world: Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Ray Dalio. They didn't build their fortunes by chasing trends or flipping assets every week. They built massive wealth by thinking long-term, by holding onto great investments through ups and downs, and by letting compound growth do the heavy lifting. Patience was not just an advantage for them, it was a necessity. You will never change anything if you don't do anything. Most people talk about wanting to be wealthy, wanting to break free from the grind, wanting to live life on their own terms, but very few are willing to move, to take action, and more importantly, to stay committed over the long haul. It's easy to get excited for a month or two. It's hard to stay focused for years. Building true wealth through investing is like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every month to check the roots. You water it, you protect it, you nurture it, and you trust the process. The same goes for your portfolio. Chasing short-term profits is like ripping the tree out of the ground before it ever has a chance to grow. In every market, there will be noise. People will tell you that you need to sell now, that a crash is coming, that a new opportunity is too good to miss. Fear and greed will scream for your attention. But winners know how to stay calm, how to zoom out, and how to stick to their long-term plan. You must learn to separate the signal from the noise. Take a chance. What are you waiting for? Stop letting fear dictate your moves. Stop thinking that success needs to happen overnight. True success is built patiently, methodically, and intentionally. Most people fail not because they don't have opportunities, but because they give up too soon. They let emotions overrule logic, and they quit before the magic of compounding can work in their favor. Not everyone is made for this. Not everyone has the stomach to watch their investments dip and still stay the course. But that's exactly why not everyone becomes truly wealthy. If you can master your emotions, stay consistent, and hold your vision steady even when things get tough, you will separate yourself from 99% of people. Long-term investing is not about being passive. It's about being strategic. It's about choosing investments with real potential, managing risks intelligently, and then giving them the time they need to mature. It's about having a plan and sticking to it when others panic. Success in investing isn't measured in weeks or months. It's measured in years, even decades. Every big result you see was once a small decision made in patience. Remember, it's not about timing the market perfectly. It's about time in the market. Staying invested consistently beats trying to jump in and out based on your emotions. You need to understand that patience isn't just about waiting. It's about trusting the process, staying disciplined when you feel like giving up, and being willing to delay gratification. It's easy to chase quick dopamine hits by checking your portfolio every day. It's much harder, but infinitely more rewarding, to stick to your long-term vision. When the market goes crazy, when prices skyrocket or crash, your greatest weapon is emotional stability. The ones who panic sell lose. The ones who get greedy at the top get wrecked. But the ones who stay steady, who stay rational, who stay patient, they win every single time. Most people dream of financial freedom, but continue to make decisions that sabotage their future. They sell too early, they buy too high, they switch strategies every month. Winners think differently. Winners think long-term. Winners know that real wealth comes from consistent action, disciplined investing, and above all else, unwavering patience. If you really want to be successful in investing, you have to make a decision today. Are you going to keep chasing short-term hype, or are you going to start building long-term wealth? You already know the answer deep down. Your future self is begging you to think bigger, to stay calm, to play the long game. The market will test you. It will test your patience, your emotions, your commitment. Most people will fail that test, but you don't have to. You can choose to be different. You can choose to think long-term, to stay disciplined, and to trust that patience will pay off in ways that short-term thinkers will never experience. The reality is simple. Emotional investing is easy but devastating. Strategic, patient investing is hard but rewarding beyond belief. Choose wisely, because the decisions you make today will echo in your future. If you found this powerful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Your journey to real wealth starts with a single decision. Hit that button and stay committed to your future.